let's add some grain to your lenses. Alright, so the first thing we need to do to add grain to our lens is to get some grained images. So if you head over to Film Composite, they have an entire collection of some free film assets. So there's a link in the description, so you can just head over there. They have all sorts of different grain, scratches, and grunge. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the film scratches, so I can filter by that category. Now if you just click on any one of these images, there'll be an option to download. You can preview the image, and they have the recommended blend mode here. We're just going to want to remember that for once we get into Lens Studio. So go ahead, download whatever grain images you want. Then head over to your graphics editor and generate a new file. So I set my resolution to 720 pixels wide by 1280 tall. Then I just imported the 6 different images I downloaded. So as I turn off each layer, you can see that what is visible changes. So each of these layers is going to be a frame. Now if you want more frames, or maybe you only have one starting image, what you can do is you can duplicate your layer, and then you can just slide it over. And if I do that again, now I'm getting 3 frames from a single image that I downloaded. So I already did that for all 6 of my layers and exported them, so I have 18 total frames. So once you've done that, I'm using Photoshop or GIMP, here I'm using Affinity Photo, it doesn't matter, you can use whatever software you want. Let's head over to Lens Studio and start adding our grain. So over here in the resources panel, I'm going to add a 2D animation from files. If you have just a static grain, a single image, all you have to do is import the image. That'll be the only difference. So I'm just going to select all my frames, open that up. You can arrange the order if you want. I don't care what order it is in, it's just grain. Quality, I'll just bump down to 80 because that's what I export my images as to begin with. And just hit OK. So now we have our animation. So you can see it's moving a little fast, so I'm going to increase the duration to 2 seconds. So now it's a little slower. So now all I need to do is in the Objects panel, I'm going to add a screen image. Now in our image, I'm going to change that to stretch. For the texture, I'll choose that animation. And blend mode, I'm going to change that to hard light, like we saw on the page where we downloaded it. So depending on your grain, it may be different. And also feel free to change this to whatever you feel looks better. And now I have my grain. And you can adjust the alpha if you want it to be a lighter effect or a heavier effect. And now all it's left to do is just add the rest of your lens, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it.